In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. If you want a faster and cheaper way to move money, check the link in the description to try Wise at a great offer. First, open the Afterpay app on your phone. You can also use the website, but it works best through the app. Once you're in the app, search for Amazon. When you click on it, the Amazon store will open inside Afterpay. It will look like the Amazon app, but you're actually shopping through Afterpay, which allows you to use their payment system directly. Next, browse and choose the item you want to buy and add it to your basket. When you're ready, click on Proceed to Checkout. Here, you'll need to select a payment method. Click on Add a Payment Method and enter your card or bank details as required. After entering the details, you'll see a button to continue, which will pair your Amazon purchase with Afterpay or ClearPay. Once paired, Afterpay will show you your payment plan. You can see how much you will pay in each installment and how many payments there will be in total. After that, your purchase is complete, and Afterpay will manage the installment payments automatically for you. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.